étudiante, je m'appelle Sniti, je suis ta professeure de français, and today we are going to start with the Q&A part 1 of lesson number 9, that is Les Vacances. It means the vacations, and it is the 9th chapter of Apprenons le français part 1, which is published by the Saraswati House. So as you all remember that we have completed with the reading part and the master key of this lesson. So today we are going to start with the Q&A so that we could master it all out. In the part 1 of Q&A, we are going to cover from the question number 1 till the question number 4, and in the second part, we will be starting it from the question number 5 till the last question, which is the 8th one. So now, without any further ado, let us start with the first question, that is, complete avec les mois de l'année. It means complete using the months of the year. So in this, you might be thinking that this may be kind of like a listening activity, but no, in this you need to fill them by yourself. For example, here we have the first part, that is, nous sommes au mois de dash. We are in the month of dash. Which month in which you are seeing this video will be the answer. For example, I have published this video in July. I am publishing it in July. So therefore, the month will come as juillet. If you may be seeing it the next month, then it would be août, septembre, octobre, from any of the month from the 1 to the 12th month. Now we have the second part, that is janvier est le premier mois de l'année. In this we need to fill the first month of the year, and that is January. So that's why the answer would be janvier. Then we have the next one, that is mon anniversaire est au mois de. My anniversary or birthday is in the month of dash. Which month is it? I'll tell you mine is in September, so I have written is Septembre. If yours in July, August or December, November, you can write it likewise. Then we have the fourth question, that is Noël est en. Noël is in. What do we mean by Noël? I've already told you, it means Christmas. So in which month is Christmas? It is for sure in December. So it is Décembre. Then we have the fifth part, that is les vacances scolaires sont mois de dash en France. The school holidays are in the month of dash and dash in France. So the school holidays are in different months as well, for 1 day, 15 days. But we are going to focus on the main one, which is the summer holiday. And that in France is in July and August, that is juillet et août. So bravo to you all. Here we have completed with the Q1, and now let us go on to the question number 2. So here we are at the question number 2, and let us start reading it. Répondez aux questions. It means give a response to the question. So there are 3 parts in this question, and we need to answer them one by one. So let us see the first part, that is il y a combien de mois dans une année? It means how many months are there in a year? So the answer to this is quite simple, that is there are 12 months in a year. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. Then we have the second question, that is quels sont les mois de l'année? It means which are the months of the year? Les mois de l'année sont, the months of the year are, and for these months I don't need to give any explanation for this, as you are my students and you all know them very well because of the master key and also the reading part that I have explained to you. First we have janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre and December, et December. So it means January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So now let us read the third part, that is quel mois sommes-nous? Which month is it? So I am publishing this video in the month of July. So therefore for me, nous sommes au mois de juillet. We are in the month of July. But if you need to write the answer according to which month you are seeing my video. For example, you might be seeing it a month back then, so that would be nu sommuada ut. It means August. So likewise, you can write the answer on your own for the third part. That was all for question number 2, and now let us go on to the question number 3. So here we are at the question number 3, and let us start reading it. Écoutez et complétez avec les jours de la semaine et les mois de l'année. It means listen and complete using the days of the week or the months of the year. So let us start with the first part. This is a listening exercise. It is either given at the back of the book, or you can also see it in the CD that is also there in the book. So the first part here we have is Aujourd'hui c'est dash, nous sommes au mois de dash. It means today it is dash, we are in the month of dash. Aujourd'hui c'est vendredi, nous sommes au mois de février. Today we have Friday and we are in the month of February. Then we have the second part, that is Dimanche est le dernier jour de la semaine. It means that Sunday is the last day of the week. So the main word that you need to see in this question is jour and the days mois. We need to either fill the days or the months. Then we have the third part, that is l'anniversaire de mon père et au mois de. The birthday of my father is in the month of dash, décembre, which is December. Then we have the fourth one, that is lundi est le premier jour de la semaine. Lundi means Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. Well, that is true. And now let us go on and see the fifth part, that is Janvier est le premier mois de l'année. January is the first month of the year. January is the first month, that is Janvier. Then we have the sixth part, that is Le Ramadan est en juin cette année. The Ramzan is in June this year. Then we have the seventh part, that is L'anniversaire de ma mère est au mois de avril. The birthday of my mother is in the month of April. Then we have the eighth part, that is Je suis à la maison le dimanche. I am going to the house this Sunday. Then we have the ninth part, that is Décembre est le dernier mois de l'année. December is the last month of the year. Well, that is also true. And if we go on to the 10th part, that is Diwali is in October and November, which is Octobre ou en Novembre. So here we have completed with the question number 3, and now let us go on to the question number 4. So here we are at the question number 4, and let us start reading it. Complétez avec les verbes donnés. It means complete using the given words. So here we have from the 1 till the 10th sentence, and the verbs are given to us in the bracket, as we can see. And now let us start filling them. The first sentence here we have is Nous avons une belle maison. It means we have a beautiful house. And the verb avoir has been conjugated here as avons. And how do we need to conjugate these verbs that are given in the bracket? By seeing the subject pronoun or the name in front, and we'll see to the example for the name as well. Secondly, we have the second sentence, that is Tu parles français. It means you speak French. So parler verb had been used here, and then we go on to the third verb, that is être. So vous êtes américain? Are you American? This is an interrogative sentence, as a question mark has been used here. Then we have the fourth sentence, that is Je vais à l'école. It means I am going to the school. Then we have the fifth sentence, that is Ma cravate est marron. It means my tie is maroon, and être verb has been used here by conjugating it as a, which means is. And then we have the sixth word, that is Jackie on dash à la campagne, vont à la campagne. It means Jack and on have gone to the countryside. Campaign means countryside. Do not get confused by seeing its spelling and its pronunciation, that is, it means campaign. No, it does not mean camping, but it means the countryside. An aller verb has been used here that means to go. Then we have the seventh part, that is ils aiment les gâteaux. My bad, it is le gâteau. Ils aiment le gâteau, it means they love the cake. Aimer verb have been used here, and at last we have the 8th sentence, then the 9th and 10th. 8th one says that elle va à la piscine. She has gone to the swimming pool. She is going to the swimming pool. Then we have the 9th sentence, that is il parle anglais et français. He speak English and French. Then we have the 10th sentence, that is elles ont a voiture rouge. It means she or she have, else subject pronoun has been used. That means this is the feminine form of the plural version of subject pronoun, that is elles ont une voiture rouge. They have a red car. So here we have completed with the question number 4, but for you all to remember the pronunciation of the verbs, I am just going to read them out and tell you the meaning side by side. First verb here we have is avoir, which means to have, parler, to speak, être, to be, aller, to go, être once again, to be, and aller, to go. Then we have aimer, it means to love or to like, and aller means to go. Then we have the second last verb, parler, which means to speak, and the last one, that is avoir, that means to have. So here we have successfully completed with the question number 4, and with that also the Q&A part 1 of lesson number 9. I hope that you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if there is any doubt for you all regarding to this video or any other, you can write in the comment section. Bye bye to you all, and we'll meet in the next video of Q&A part 2.